Hello, good afternoon, 26, 2022. Today we're going to discuss the 12th character. Where are we now? We are here at the 12th character. As I mentioned, Chinese literature always opposite. When you got a sun, we have them followed by the moon. When we have excess, full moon, then we have something of lacking, decline. There's the positive, the negative. There's a masculine and then a feminine. It's always like that, Chinese character. And this word is more happen in literature. It's almost very seldom or it never happen in daily conversation. This word called jak means lacking or decline. But when combine everything into a poetry, it will sound very nice. Okay, that's a very nice poetry way of reading. In Cantonese, okay, that's how we write it. You're starting from the left to the top and go down. And this part is called a sun, right? And this part means the sun is going to decline. It's a sunset. Okay. Watch again how we write it. Always from the left, from the top down to the right and to the bottom. This is mean a man, a human being, and that is the sun, and human being is inside a building. That is the the formal way of printing. 这 that all together extracts and it belongs to the sun radical. The romanization is the. Remember that word at its accent going down. The. And the meaning mean afternoon. And when the sun is falling, declining to the west. And Chinese always combine literature with the philosophy. I mean, when a sun going up to the mid to the noon, it's like a people getting the power or the man that get a wealthy to the maximum is going down to the decline. Just like the logo of Tai Chi here. When you're going to the maximum, you're always going to the other direction. When a moon going to be full moon, you're going to get a new moon very soon. It's not negativity, but it's a balanced way of thinking. You would never have the progress forever. You must have a kind of correction. That a standard form, the Unicode, Mandarin romanization, the Cantonese, duck, duck. Okay. Finally, you got it. Google Translate. And it's funny that in English part they put the same Chinese character, so it's not very nice. And the basic translation, afternoon, correct. Decline, okay. Evening, mm, it's, it's okay. Sundown, sunset, yeah. As I mentioned, more happened in writing. It was used in verbal communication nobody will understand because this is a very classic character. It's more for writing and for literature. Okay, now comes the fun part about the origin of the character, the seal script, like a building and a human being, and here the sun. Okay, so when this, after 1,000 years, it become this formal character. Okay, so we write it more clearly. Now I changed my writing board a bit and not very, not very nice. To try again. In Chinese culture, we don't like straight line. You know, it's like a river. We don't like this kind of river. We like something curvy. So for writing, we have to write it in a cursive, somewhat cursive way. Yeah, not so good night, but anyway, something like that. Then about a cursive script. Now I write the formal character first. Okay, a cursive simple. We just simplify the part and simplify the part and simplify the large part. That could be one way. Okay, thank you, and listening to the 12th character and talk to you about a 13th character tomorrow. Thank you for listening and hope to talk to you again later.